In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on Homebase. By the end, you will know exactly how to remove a message you no longer want in a chat. First, open the Homebase app, find the Homebase icon on your phone or tablet, and tap it once. The app will load to your usual starting screen, which might show your schedule, time clock options, or a dashboard. If you use Homebase for work, you may also see your location name at the top. Once the app finishes loading, you are ready to move into the messaging area. Now tap Messages. Look along the bottom or the main navigation area for the Messages option and tap it. When Messages opens, you should see a list of recent conversations, often with coworker names or team group chats. If you use unread messages, you may notice a small number badge next to a chat. This screen confirms that you are in the Homebase chat section, where all your conversations live. Next, open the conversation, tap the specific chat where the message you want to delete is located. The conversation view will open and you will see a series of message bubbles. Your own messages usually appear aligned on one side, often with a different color, while messages from others appear on the opposite side. At the top of the screen you should see the chat name or the person or group you are talking with, so you can double-check you are in the right place before removing anything. Now find the message you want to remove. Scroll through the conversation until you locate the exact message bubble you need to delete. Take a moment here to read the text and confirm it is the right one, especially in busy group chats where many messages look similar. If you sent several messages in a row, check the timestamps under each bubble so you do not remove the wrong one. Once you are certain you have the correct message, you are ready to take it out. After that, press and hold the message. Place your finger on that message bubble and keep it there for a second or two. You should feel a slight haptic vibration on many phones, and a small menu will pop up near the message. If nothing appears, lift your finger and try again, making sure you press the bubble itself, not the space next to it. This long press is how Homebase knows you want message options instead of just opening the keyboard. With the options visible, tap Delete. In the small menu that appears, look for the Delete option and tap it once. The menu will close and the screen will dim slightly or show a confirmation prompt. At this point, the message is not gone yet, so you still have a chance to back out if you tap the wrong one. Finally, confirm the deletion. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to delete that message. Tap the Confirm option shown on your screen. Right after you do this, the message bubble disappears from the conversation view and the chat scrolls up to close the gap. You have now opened Homebase Chat and deleted a message from a conversation, keeping your chat history clean and accurate. If this helped you tidy up your Homebase messages, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple Homebase tips.